wind, which is start with a story, a song, a poem, a topic, and add layers. And so we're going to start this particular one with a song. This is a 2-note song. And it goes like this. It has 2 parts. I get a line and you get a line. And my line is, good morning, boys and girls. And your line is, good morning, Mrs. Owen. Okay, got that? My turn, your turn. My line, your line. Here we go. Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Let's change that out a little bit. Good morning, people from NDSU.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Good morning, people from Valley City.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Good morning, girls.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Now you know what's next. I'm not going to do that one yet. Okay. Good morning, August birthdays. Good morning, January birthdays. Now, I was going to say, I can't believe nobody's ever been born. Good morning, February birthdays.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Good morning, March birthdays.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
I know who's sweating right now. It's April. So let's get to July. Good morning, July birthdays.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Good morning, December birthdays. Good morning, April birthdays.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Now, are you noticing something about what's happening with the pitch as I get into smaller groups? What's happening? It goes lower or it gets sharp, it goes higher. The bottom line is it's off, isn't it? The smaller I get, the more the pitch changes from my original pitch. You guys did great when you were in a large group. Let's try it again. Everyone, good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Now, how do we go from everybody on pitch to everybody down here someplace, or most people? Confidence. Confidence goes down, pitch goes down. Okay, it happens with grown-ups too. It happens with kids. So, one thing you need to do in the classroom is make sure you're doing a lot of singing whole group before you ever break it down to small group. Now notice I didn't say one thing you want to do in the classroom is make sure you always keep it whole group. No. You're not going to want to keep it whole group because of some of the activities you're going to want to do with music that will lend themselves to small group activities. So you're not going to want to keep it whole group, but you have to keep it safe. So you start with whole group, and then one day, and I can't tell you when that magical point is, one day you break it down smaller, and you go to half the class, half a class. Never in contest mode. Why do I not ever want to do it in contest mode?
You're comparing children's voices.
You're comparing children's voices, and you don't ever want to compare children's voices. Not only that, but if you do it in contest mode, you know what you really get back? You get louder. You don't get kids who are singing listening to what they're singing. You just get kids who suddenly panic and they think loud is best, and so they're yelling and they're screwing up their voices and they're screwing up the tone when they yell. So you don't want to put them in contest mode, okay? But you do have to get them into singing in safety. So let's see how far we can go with the safe attitude. I'm going to divide right here, okay? And you've already sung it for me in pitch, so I know you can. And this is like 6 weeks into the semester, okay? You guys are first. Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Pitch. Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Okay, I know you know what's coming. We're going to divide not only here, but we're going to divide here. So we've got quarter pies, okay? So here we go. Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, Mrs. Owen.
Good morning, boy and bored with the words? Yeah, I am too. Okay. So let's switch it out. Okay. And here's my switch out, and I'm going to ask a question, and you're going to give an answer. So my question, I'm going to say what I like. I do a lot of thinking on the spot when I make this kind of thing. I like potatoes. What do you like? And you're going to give an answer. Okay. I like potatoes. What do you like? And we're going to go around, and this is like 12 weeks into the school year, and we're going to do it solo. And I want you to try really hard to stay on pitch, even if it's scary, okay? Because you all have. You all have, all right? So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, you're the one who gets to go last. Who do you want to go first? Okay, you want to go first?
Sure.
I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like pizza.
Potatoes. What do you like?
I like green eggs and ham.
Potatoes. What do you like?
I like spaghetti.
I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like peanut butter.
I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like banana.
I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like steak.
I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like ice cream.
Yes. And you know what? The thing is you got the interval right. Okay? It was down here, and it wasn't quite
I can't
the
say
pitches.
hi.
You can't say hi, but you got the interval right. Okay? And that's really important. You have the interval right. I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like Jell-O.
I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like... Oh, that was bad.
Okay, we'll start it again. I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like cheese.
Did you notice what happened there? Okay, she started off. I could have said, that's okay, we'll skip you. What does we'll skip you do?
You stink.
You stink. Okay? And you don't stink. You caught it. Yeah, you caught it right away. And you said, I need to start over. And when you started over, did you notice that I said, that's okay? And I gave you a starting point, and I sang it with you. So I supported her singing at that point so that she can be successful. Okay? The minute you allow somebody to back out and say, I can't do this, you know what you're going to get from the very next person? Same thing, I can't do this, because it's scary for all of us. I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like birthday cake.
I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like Oreos.
I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like chips.
I like potatoes. What do you like?
Oh gosh.
I
like orange juice. I can't do it. I can't.
Let's do this. Lisa, ready? And you're all going to like orange juice, ready?
All right.
I like potatoes. What do you like?
I like orange juice.
So you can do it. I like potatoes. What do you